everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a no heat holiday waves, and all I'm going to be needing are boba straws, and they look like this. I'm going to teach you how to make them. So these are the straws right here. You will be needing an elastic band to keep both straws together, like that. And you're also going to be needing Scotch tape. Just cut that with your teeth and secure that, wrap that around the straws. There we go. So there we have it. Now once you have this, okay, so in order for you all to see the variation, on this side of my head I'm going to grab smaller sections of hair, and on this side I'm going to grab bigger sections of hair. Basically, if you grab smaller sections of hair, you're gonna have tight waves. If you grab bigger sections of hair, you are going to have loose waves, sort of like loose waves. So this is how we do it. Okay, so as usual, dampen your hair. I'm gonna take smaller sections on this side of my head. Just going to dampen it. I'm going to be taking the straw. I'm going to insert my hair in the middle, and then I'm going to be doing a figure eight. Wrap my hair. Right, now from right here, you're going to be securing your ends using a midget clamp. There you go. And then just do the same thing on the other side. So now on this side, I'm going to be taking this whole section of my hair right here because I'm going to grab bigger sections on this side. I'm going to dampen my hair. And then I'm going to take the straw, insert my hair in the middle, and then I'm going to be doing a figure eight. And then secure the ends of your hair using a midget clamp. Just like that. Alright, so I'm gonna continue and do this all over my head. Okay, so now I'm done, and this is what it looks like right now. And I'm just going to leave this onto my hair, and I will let you guys see the results by and by. To some of you, you're asking like, how long shall I leave it on my hair? It really depends on your hair texture. If your hair tends to curl really fast, then you can leave this on for like an hour or two, or like 2 to 3 hours. If your hair tends to not hold curls, like if your hair is naturally straight, so I'm probably gonna leave this on for like 4 hours on my hair, or even less than that, because I just noticed it actually curls my hair like really fast rather than any like methods. So I'm gonna remove this on this side right here, where I've actually gathered in small sections of hair. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That looks really nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove it on this side, to which I actually gathered bigger sections of hair. This is what it looks like. The waves are definitely bigger than the other one, than on the other side. So yeah. Okay, so this is the one which is like has bigger waves. This is the other one, which is smaller waves. So which do you guys prefer? what it looks like right there. And I'm just gonna continue and remove all of these. And yeah, I really do like the result because this time it's like the waves are much more bigger, so they're not so super crazy tight, but yet they're still defined. So yeah, that's what it looks like.